On a windswept Highland after a sudden blizzard, the narrator finds themselves stranded with dwindling supplies and a fogged mind. They prioritize shelter by building a windbreak from rocks and a snow cave, then locate a sunny alcove to conserve heat. They ration water from melted snow, create a signal fire with damp tinder, and keep morale up with small goals. With every challenge, they practice slow breaths, mark orientation with the sun, and use improvised tools to trap food. Emerging weeks later, they share a lessons list: keep dry, stay visible, move at dawn, and trust method over panic.